How's it going, folks? We're going to do an unboxing here of the xTool F2 laser. This won't be a real informative video, and I apologize for the poor lighting, poor camera angles. This room isn't really set up for filming. There are some really good, more informative videos out there. Chris from L3D, if you go to his channel, he does some pretty good work. And he will be much more informative than me. But this is the xTool F2. It is an IR and diode laser. Instructions. There are many unboxing videos out there, so I apologize if this one's disappointing to you. But I got to get this thing set up, start making things. So, looks like that's everything out of the box. I don't think there's much setup involved. I probably won't go on to do the calibration and things like that. I'll probably do that off camera. But I probably will post some videos of this in use once I do get it set up and my exhaust set up and things like that. Pretty simple. It's already put together. Just has some tape that needs to be removed. Some, let's see what all this stuff is. Power supply. This looks like the power cable. What did I drop? USB to USB-C. I believe this is for connecting your PC to the unit, so I'm going to have to find... I'll have to read the instructions, but I'll probably need to find USB-C to USB-C. I guess I could use my USB-A port, at least to test it out. This, let's see what's in this one. Some material, sample materials. I think one of them might be a piece of paper that you use for calibration. I think this is more. Oh, and this is like if you're cutting wood, this is a little platform that items sit on so that any smoke can escape out here and go through the exhaust fan. There's that. And here's the last box. That will be the exhaust ducting, screwdriver for assembly. I'd imagine this is for cleaning the laser lens. There's some grease that I believe is for this lid. You put some grease in there so it travels a little more easily. And let's peel this tape off. Don't know that they needed to use this high-speed shipping tape on there, but it holds pretty well. I would think maybe some painter's tape would work just as well. This gets on there pretty good. Before use, rotate to reset. So I think this is stopped. Yeah, it just popped out. You push it, it's emergency stop. Then you just twist it and it pops back out to turn it back on. I can leave them on there for now, I suppose. Some foam in there to keep the laser lens clean for shipping and undamaged. Some acrylic sheet for cutting, I'd imagine. Or is that? No, it's not that. I'm gonna have to look. I know we have this. I think they're supposed to be in. Oh, it must be in here. Yeah, here we go. This little plate goes in the bottom. The knee screw in there so you can slide, you know, items that you're going to engrave up there to hold it in position for repeated engravings. So there you have it. Now I need to go get my laptop. I got an air conditioner vent that goes in the sliding window. Then I'll connect this to that. I'll probably need to make a makeshift adapter to go from like 6-inch to this. I believe it's like 3-inch or 2.5-inch. Some odd size. I bought this on my own. I didn't get anything from xTool or anything like that. Though if they want to send me an air purifier, I'm not going to argue. I would test that out for them and video it. But yeah, I think that's going to be all for this video. Keep your eye out. I'll post some of it in operation and testing. Probably in the next day or two. Unless I fail miserably. Then I'll wait until I'm not failing and post a video. Anyway, thanks for watching. And keep an eye out for... I'll definitely film some videos when I start making stuff of the making in progress. And this is going to be fun. There's a lens cap that this tag hangs from. I'm going to probably make one to... So I keep the lens cap on there for transportation or storage. Just keep dust and dirt off the lens. Anyway, thanks for watching. I don't have any affiliate links. I'm not an affiliate with xTool, but I'll throw some Amazon links in there. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you buy one of these from Amazon, I'll stand to make 3% or something like that. Little kickback, which is much appreciated. And I'll put my regular Amazon affiliate link in there for the store. If you buy anything from Amazon and you use my store link, even though I don't have everything in there, I'll get a little bit of credit for it, and that'll help the channel. I appreciate that. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you all later.